In this video, I am going to explain what it means to sell Bitcoin in Cash App and how the process works. Selling Bitcoin allows you to convert your cryptocurrency holdings back into cash, which can then be withdrawn or used for purchases. First, to sell Bitcoin on Cash App, you need to have Bitcoin in your Cash App account. If you already own Bitcoin, open the Cash App on your phone and tap on the Bitcoin icon, the symbol that looks like a Bitcoin. This will take you to the Bitcoin section of the app. Once you're in the Bitcoin section, you'll see your current Bitcoin balance. Tap on the Sell button to begin the selling process. You'll be prompted to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. You can choose to sell a specific amount or sell all your Bitcoin. After entering the amount, Cash App will show you the estimated cash value of your Bitcoin based on the current market price. Review the details, and if you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. Once the sale is completed, the cash equivalent of your Bitcoin will be credited to your Cash App balance. Remember that selling Bitcoin may be subject to fees, and the cash value you receive will depend on the market price at the time of the sale. Additionally, selling Bitcoin could have tax implications, so it's essential to keep track of your transactions for tax reporting purposes. That's it. You've successfully learned what it means to sell Bitcoin in Cash App and how the process works. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.